Hello, this is my mushroom sauce ingredients for my pasta sauce. And it's tomatoes, mushrooms, any mushroom you can do, parsley. I'm doing my own tomato sauce, garlic, salt, pepper, and dried parsley. And this is the cherry tomatoes I'm gonna add at the end. I hope you try. Added olive oil and now the garlic. We have to saute it for like 2 minutes. And add in tomato sauce. And so it took like 5 minutes for the tomato sauce to cook. And now we're gonna add the mushrooms and let them saute for 3 to 5 minutes, depends on the stove. We're gonna put oregano, sauce, garlic, and pepper, black pepper, and now I'm adding the parsley, turning off the heat because the cast iron pan that keeps the heat in, so it's going to be cooking. And then these tomatoes are going to be cherry tomatoes, are going to be cooked. And voila! This is the pasta from the south of Italy, Fusilli, and this is an antique recipe of theirs. And I hope you try this recipe. Voila, it's done. My mushroom sauce, it's ready, and I just added the fusilli at the end. And this is ready to serve. And I hope you guys try this. It's super easy and healthy. You know, even the little kitties would eat this. No problem. Bon appetit! Transferring the pasta into the bowl so we can serve it. And voila, it's all ready.